Hello my fellow diecast car collector, welcome again to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys? How's your diecast car hunting? Did you find any good score? Share it in the comment section guys. And in this video, I'm gonna unbox or open this parcel that I have received. This is a diecast card that I purchased online. This one is coming from Marketplace and this one is coming from eBay. And as you can see, I have peeled the sticker where my detail is written before, so it won't be captured in the video, my private detail like contact detail and my address. And I'm gonna try to shorten the video again so you won't get bored. So without further ado, let's start it. Let's start with this box. This is the one that is coming from eBay, and we have here a sharp cutter blade that we're gonna use, and this is the El Segundo. Yes, El Segundo that I have purchased on eBay. 2 pieces of El Segundo. So we need to be careful because the cutter blade is sharp. There you go. So as you can see in here, there's a bubble wrap. Nice packaging. And yeah, this is 2 pieces mainline card, but since we purchased it on eBay, it's a bit expensive than regular price, but that should be right. And here's the diecast car. Look at that. Nice. The card is still look new. El Segundo Coupe. They are same car but different color. This one is a gray one, and this one is black one with a kind of gold stripe. They are same 4 out of 5 Hot Wheels Dream Garage. I'm not pretty sure what year is this release and what case also. I don't have any idea, but the reason I purchased this is I wanted to, or I'm trying to complete all the variety of, or I mean variant of El Segundo, because we have one in here. This one is El Segundo, and also we have in here a yellow one, and we also have some mainline that we haven't unboxed yet or open yet. So that's the reason why we purchased this El Segundo. Look at that. There's no chance that you can find it in the store today, because it's no longer available in the store guys. So that's why I have decided to find it in eBay. Good thing the seller is place this in one selling only. or I mean it's kinda package, 2 pieces, so we save at least for the shipping fee, unlike if we purchase separately per piece and we pay shipping fee for both. It will be more expensive. So yeah, this is El Segundo Coupe coming from eBay. So we're gonna place this in here for a while, and we're gonna move on to this parcel. This one is still sealed, but I'm not gonna flip it because there's still details at the back, and I don't want to be captured my detail, private detail. So let's start cutting it. Hang on, let's place this on top of the box. There we go. And let's open this one. This is twin pack and silver series 6-pack. Hopefully there's no damage. Oh, the card is a bit deformed, but that should be right. Probably due to packaging. And this is the Honda twin pack. Hey, look at that. Finally, I've been looking for this for a very long time. Honda Civic, 1999 Honda Civic Type R EK9 and Honda Civic Type R, a yellow Honda Civic. Beautiful. And there are 3 different twin pack included in this car culture twin pack. There's a Lamborghini Countach LP 5000 QB, Lancia Stratos 0, and BMW 320 Group 5, and 2001 BMW M3 GT3, and the Honda Civic twin pack. Look at that. Awesome casting. So this is our additional Honda Civic collection, and we're gonna move on to the Silver Series 6-pack. And here's the diecast car included in this Silver Series: Volkswagen Golf MK2, 1992 BMW M3, Porsche 911 GT3, 1973 Volvo 142 GL, Aston Martin 177, and then the 2016 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT3. Silver Series. Look at that, Mercedes-Benz AMG. And this is the front cover of the box. And let's see the actual diecast car. Whoa, look at that. Gee, I really like this Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful. And also the Porsche, a yellow Porsche. Nice. This one is not open yet before. Haven't opened yet. And the box still presentable. Silver Series 6-pack. Beautiful. Look at that. And here's our El Segundo. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and enjoyed this simple video. If you do, please hit thumbs up guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are interested in this kind of video content, diecast car hunting, diecast car collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel RMD Collections and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video in this channel. Again, thank you so much, happy hunting, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Sorry, it's DJ.